Today we're gonna be hitting some trails on this Yozma IN10, baby. Of course, as you guys can see, it's got some nice off-road tires. Got my homie pulling up right now. We're about to just go ride some trails, and then maybe we're gonna go hit some jumps later on in the video. No way, bro. Yo, homie just got a brand new bike.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Frank.
Bro, you got the off-road tires too, so you're ready to do some off-roading, bro? Off-road on the Yozma, baby, let's go. Dude, these trails go on for miles and miles, straight all the way over to another city. Oh my God, these off-road tires are so nice. Usually never have bikes with off-road tires. That's right. He just got a brand new Talaria. I bet he's really excited about it. Whoop. Oh my God, guys, this thing is just taking it. This thing is so nice. This thing has a lot of power, dude. It's been a minute since I've hit an off-road trail, I'm not gonna lie. Whoa, what the hell is all this? Look, there's a shit in a plant. I thought those were gravestones at first. Bunch of oranges getting planted. See how well it does? Nothing, bro, nothing. This suspension is so good. Remember my E-Box dragster video? I was suffering. I was like, oh, every single bump, you felt that bump. Like, yeah, you can still do some off-roading on it. Yo, you're keeping up good, huh?
Yeah, holy fuck.
Yo, how's the front suspension?
Shit hurts, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
Of course, it's probably not as good as like a Sur-Ron. Just look at that. It's handling it so well, guys. You guys don't know how grateful I am to have an off-road mini bike now, bro. Where the are we going? Should we turn back or should we just keep going? What do you think?
Up to you, guys.
Meaning to get on one of these forever, huh?
I know.
We're going crazy out here. This is the best suspension I've seen on a bike that's this cheap. A little bit more open trails. We can hit it. Woo! So nice. This is fun, dude. Billy's on a trail. Keep it up. Keep it up. Yeah. About keeping the off-road tires on here, man. This is just too much fun. Wheelies on the trails. Woohoo! Yeah. Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry.
So what's his name?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Alright. My apologies. I'm so sorry about this.
Fine.
Now you're a badass though. Yo, we scared the horse.
Oh, bro, I was not trying to do that.
I didn't mean to, bro. I've never encountered a horse on the trail. Yo, I feel bad for her. She got mad. She was like, it's fine. My bad, horsey. I'm so sorry. What up, guys? Yes, sir. Oh, have you ever encountered a horse on the trail?
Nah, but like, you know what to do, like when you do. Bro, horses are so cool, like.
Yeah, I know they are.
About them, and like, it literally sends your fear. It's so cool, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, they are cool. We are gonna go hit some off-road jumps, so let's just cut straight to that.
You get into jumps?
I'm gonna try to. Damn! You got a new powder coat or just spray paint? Spray painted it? That shit looks good. We just pulled up to some jumps right here.
That down right here is so fun.
Really? Oh, shit! I never hit jumps. Damn! What? They're flying! Oh shit. Hold on, yo, let me warm up real quick. Oh. You can get so much air on that. There we go. You guys saw that. Damn, that was crazy. Yo, that was like smooth. That was actually butter right there, dude. Young about to hit it on the Yozma. Woo! Woo! crazy, bro. That was one of the first jumps I've ever hit. Woohoo! That bike suspension is really, really nice, bro. We just been hitting some off-road. We've been just hitting some jumps and stuff. And I'm not gonna lie, it does feel a little bit softer than it did at first when I was first riding it. But dude, it's still dialed suspension. It's still really good suspension. I'm really impressed with how this Yozma is doing right now. Honestly, bro, the best suspension that you can get for a bike that's only 1,300 bucks. Oh shit! Dude, I hit full pin.
Better spin it,
I bet. Oh shit, guys. So one more time, that was not smooth. Yo, Adrian, do you want to hit the jump over there on this?
Yeah.
All right, bet. I'm hitting some off-road on this thing, dude. Bro, this thing's about to get a little bit dirty, or is dirty already. I'm gonna go clean it later, though. Got all the homies, bro, been hitting hella jumps, man. I cannot do crazy jumps like this. All right. I cannot do crazy jumps like these kids, guys. What the f is this kid doing with a shirt off?
Oh shit!
Wow. Should I?
Go do it from there to there.
Nah, that's scary, bro.
It's so easy, I'm telling you. I did it on your Yozma like 3 times.
I might.
It's really easy. Good.
Yeah, I could do it.
Yeah, that's all you. There you go.
Damn.
I told you, you don't have to go that fast.
That's scary, bro. Thanks for motivating me, though. I appreciate that.
These things are so nice. I really want to get one.
Bro, they're nice, bro. You should get a mini bike. You need a mini bike.
Yeah.
Clean.